What's going on, you guys? So today's tip and trick, we're going to be doing a project. We're going to be putting my Ryobi drill to the test by taking off our line off of the reel to switch it for another line. So I have a rod on getting ready for my daughter, and I put too heavy of a line on there because I didn't have the line I wanted at the time, so I just put something to make do until we did that. But now I got to take it off, and so I'll put some thinner 15-pound test or something on there. But this should be fun to try. I've never tried it before, and heck, if it works, the better for everyone watching. If you guys want to try, go ahead. Let's see if this works. All right, so what we're gonna do, I got the rod mounted up right here, so that way something can hold it. I have no one here holding it other than myself. All right, so here's the plan. This is what we're gonna do. I got just a regular drill, nothing fancy, and then I put this old reel that I found. I put a screw through it, actually drilled a screw down in it, and that way the drill would be able to grab on it. Now what I did is taped the line that's on the rod that I'm taking off the line off of. Now let's see, I'm gonna open the bail. Open the bail. And hopefully I can do this one-handed. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, it's reeling in. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's coming out off of there. Okay, I'm gonna go a little faster. It's a lot faster, but oh man. Okay, take two. Got to make sure that it doesn't come off because it goes so fast. Should be almost done. I put a lot of line on here. Nice and slow, steady. I mean, I'm not doing it as fast as I could. I just don't want it to come off. And done. All right, guys. So that worked. Wasn't too bad. It probably did speed up the process by about, I don't know, 2 minutes. 2 minutes of constantly reeling in, and we didn't have to do that to switch out the line. So it does work. I don't know if it's the best way, but it definitely is a good way. And you don't have to use a reel like I did. You can actually use basically anything that you want to put your line wrapped around. But yeah, so give this a shot, give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you want us to try something new, or if you know of something that a lot of people might not know about, let me know. I still got a lot of tricks or tips that I'm gonna be putting here. Other knots, I gotta start putting things for hunting as well. I know I'm basically doing fishing right now, but it is fishing season in Florida, if you will, right now. So I've been doing a lot of fishing tips and tricks, but I will be doing some hunting ones as well, not just fishing, for us outdoorsmen that like all aspects of the outdoors. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Put comments down below, share, like, hit that bell notification button so that when we post another video up, you guys will be notified immediately. You guys can check out the videos. Let me know.
Yeah. Yeah. Still beautiful fish.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Look at that. As long as my arm.
Oh yeah, it kills it.
Matter.
It kills it. We need the board shorts. Beautiful release.